Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can track phone number location. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let's say that your phone is missing and now you're going to find it with the phone number location. So here I'm going to show you guys how we can track phone number location. Okay, if we want to track phone number location, we need to prepare an application. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store and then find the phone tracker by number. Okay, you can download it and install this application on your mobile phone. And then as you can see, I have installed this application, so I just need to open it. Okay, and hold on guys, we need to set up the application before we use it, and make sure you have good internet connection. Okay, and here I need to sign in with my phone number like this. Wait guys. All right, and then I'm going to write my age and click on continue. Okay, I'm going to choose while using the app, allow. Okay, and then we'll be able to track phone number location, but it's still loading. Okay, and if we want to track, we can click on this plus icon, or we can select locate a phone. Let's try this one guys, and here we need to add the phone number. Wait, I'm just going to add my own phone number. Wait guys, it's almost done. Okay, for example, I'm going to select this contact. All right, and then I'm going to click on locate. Just click on locate, and then okay, you just need to click on view guys, and then you'll be able to get all this information. You will get the information about the location and also the battery. Okay, and I'm just going to go back and let's see. Okay guys, and that's all the way to track phone number location. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.